A very good day to you. And I'm Professor Rajendra Pratap Gupta, and I've been into healthcare ID for more than 25 years. And I'm thankful for Aries Communication to have invited me for this launch, which I think is very critical for healthcare. My work in healthcare and digital health tells me that the use of digital tools for patient doctor communication has gone up drastically during the last 2 years, at least thanks to COVID, which was earlier around 10%, is now around more than 80%. And this is a change which is going to stay with us. We got to be prepared. For a country like India and other LMICs, this is very important as a solution, of noise cancelling, if I were to call it. So if you look at the way today the consultations happen, on one side we have an issue with connectivity. On the other side, we have an issue of the background noise. And when we are talking about healthcare, when we are talking of a digital consultation, how it can wreak havoc, you can just understand from this couple of examples. One is that if you are capturing the patient's age, whether it is 13 or 30, it is tough if there is background noise. Now you move little ahead to diagnostics and you move little ahead to prescription. Now look at what can happen. There is a terminology called LASA, look alike, sound alike. This is called LASA drugs. And medication error is one of the biggest challenges of the healthcare system. And all we do in a consultation is look at a patient, interact, try to get the symptoms diagnosed, and prescribe a drug. Now, a injection like Medsol injection is something that's used for treating acid reflux. And look if the things go wrong because Medsol drug is used for something very different. If you look at another Capidex used for heartburn and Casodex for prostate cancer, just imagine what you could do. So this is a very major issue. If you are talking of online consultation, which is going to be a norm, patients are going to reach out to doctors, doctors are going to connect back to their patient talking online. I think this solution is very critical. I would go to the extent of calling it's a prescription for doctors to write a prescription. Because if we don't do that, you're going to screw up, and no one wants to today get into the legalities of getting a wrong thing out. So I think this is a wonderful solution. I not only look for the healthcare industry to use it, but I also look at care seekers using it. And I am sure that, with an organization like this, which has always been at the focus of users' point of view, and when it comes to patient centricity, you will also be, practical in terms of pricing. So I look at a large scale adoption of this solution so that healthcare becomes more transparent. And given the fact that we are now moving towards natural language processing, where a doctor speaks and it gets transcribed into a prescription, so this solution is going to be all the more critical for medical practice. I think I'm pretty excited with this, and I'm going to personally use it in the things that I do in healthcare. And I would strongly recommend anyone who is into healthcare should look at this solution and also start implementing this solution. I wish you all the very best, and thanks for coming out with a very useful product for the healthcare industry. Wish you good luck. Thank you.